Howdy, and welcome to the 7th episode of this series. I wasn't sure which LED lights to use, so I just bought both. The first one failed, it didn't work, it's not the battery, it just didn't work. That's the one that failed. Commercial electric 8 feet, LED color, whatever, doesn't work. The 24 works, it's smart, and I'll continue my build with it. Like I said, try changing the batteries, it didn't help, back to the box. The strip comes with some glue-like material. Let me show you how I applied it. This is how I've hidden the cable. I'm using wooden pieces to stop the drawer from hitting the cable. By the way, I'm using this magnetic strip to hang my driver bits. Tried using the Samsung kit, was able to turn the lights on with a sensor, but did not find a way to turn them off, even with the button. I tried looking for some timer in the app to turn them off, but there was nothing like it, so I just gave up on it. Eventually I decided to go with the Google Assistant, or Google Home.
Hey Google, garage lights on.
Turning garage lights on.
Let's see how it works. First, I connected the LED lights and the Google Assistant to my Wi-Fi. Then I downloaded the IFTTT and connected it to my Google account. Finally, I added a if-then relation, which I will demonstrate now for lights off. The if configuration is done, and it does the following. If Google Assistant hears the phrase garage lights off, he will say in response, turning garage lights off. That configuration will turn the LED lights off. Time taken, around 2 days. Cost without the tools, around 200. Cost with the tools, around 500. Thanks for watching, until next time.
Hey Google, garage lights off.
Turning garage lights off.